Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, first of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, been wondering, should I subscribe, should you not? Yes, you should subscribe. That's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments. Hope I'll be able to answer the comments to the best of my knowledge. Today, I'll be making something different in the Power XL. Today, I'll be making some honey garlic baked chicken today. Today, what I'll be doing, I'll be sauteing the chicken first with a little, I have 3 tablespoons of butter. I have a little honey, brown sugar, and some garlic. So what I'm going to do now, first I'm going to saute the chicken a little before I start baking it. So I'm going to take this top off. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on saute. Put it on saute, and I'm going to set the temperature for 350. It's on 350. And I'm going to just set it for about 20 minutes. I'm going to use 20 minutes like that. And I'm going to press start. So we're going to get started. We're going to start putting this butter in. Just like this. I'm going to just dump it in like that. And that's the 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna let this just melt in here just like this. Just let it melt and get this chicken and everything ready. So I'm just gonna let that melt for a while. Okay, what I'm gonna do, as you see my chicken, I took the skin off it and everything. Right here, this is part of the thighs and everything. Nice and good. I'm just gonna lay it in just like that. And I'm gonna just let it get just a little brown. Put it in just like that. Lay it in like that, just like that. Let it get brown on each side before I start baking it. Okay, they all in like that. And I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes before I flip it over. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, in all the black dots you see on it, I put a little salt and black pepper on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over, just like that. Flip all this over just like that. Get it nice and good. Looking good. Get the other side nice and good. I'm gonna put that. And then I'm just gonna flip it over one more time and make sure it's on the back side is getting good and everything. Coming out good, let that sit, wait some 5 minutes. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this out now so I can saute the garlic and everything. Put it on a plate. Take this out just like this. Take it out. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to press cancel, and I'm going to get ready for my garlic. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add 20 minutes on it, put it on saute, because I'm going to do my garlic. And I'm going to set it for like 320. I'm going to set the temperature for 320. And I'm gonna set it for, I'm gonna just use the 35 minutes. And I'm gonna press start. Right here. I'm gonna put my garlic in. Put the garlic in. Get it nice, good and brown. Just spread that out just a little. Just like that. All this chicken. Just turn it brown and everything, and use all that to make it nice and good. So I'm gonna just let that get a little bit brown before I add my brown sugar in with it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my brown sugar in there now, and I'm gonna just stir that up for a minute and everything. Get it nice and good. Just like that. Stir that up good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour my honey in there. Just pour it in just like this, all over in there. Just like that. And I'm gonna just stir it all that up together. Just like that. Get a good mixture on it. Like that. Let that cook for a minute. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this chicken in, let it cook for a couple minutes before I put it on bake. Just like this. And get it nice and good. Let that get nice and good. Let it soak in on the back, and then I'm gonna flip it over. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip this over like this. Make sure I flip over every last one of them so you get that nice good honey in it. Flip it over. And what I'll be doing, I'll be putting the top on it for a minute. I'm gonna cancel that and put it on bake. So I'm gonna press cancel. Okay, so now I'm gonna set it on bake. I'm gonna put this top on. And I'm gonna put it on bake. Bake, I'm gonna set it for 320. Set temperature at 320. And I'm gonna just set it for 35 minutes. I'm not gonna use all of it, but I'm gonna press start for the minutes, and like that, and I'm gonna press start. The lid is on, I'm gonna put it down, and you can put it in there while it's, because it's hot and everything, it's not gonna use all that minutes. Okay, while it's on preheat, like I said, you can look at it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just flip it over. It's looking good and everything. Just take my time and flip this over like real quick like that. Flip it over, let it get the other side. Looking good and everything. Oh yes. I'm gonna put the top down and let it continue to cook. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, as you see, it's looking nice and good. I'm gonna just flip it one more time. Like that. Flip it. And this right here gonna be some delicious honey garlic baked chicken. Flip it like that, and I'm gonna put the top down. Okay, I'm gonna lift this top up, and it's looking good and everything. I'm gonna take this out and put it in a bowl. This is done and everything. So how I did this, since I sauteed it and everything, sauteed my garlic and everything, and then I put it on bake since the Power XL is already hot and everything. And I put it on bake and everything. It didn't use the 35 minutes because we use all the preheat on it and everything. And I'm gonna take it out. You don't want it too hard, or you don't want it to burn. And it's looking good and everything. I'm just gonna take my time, take this out just like this. Put it right in this bowl. take the juice out, and I'm just gonna pour it all over there. I'm just gonna pour it just like this over it and everything. Have it looking nice and good. Put that garlic over it. And I'm gonna set this to the side. Okay, this right here is your honey garlic baked chicken. Looking nice and good and everything. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.